happy Logic season. Logic 10.4 has been released. Now, I'm going to take you through very small videos of quick new features that are added to Logic Pro X. This one is about tempo. All right, so Logic introduced something called Smart Tempo. So what it does is you have project tempo, and then it can record files and adjust it to your tempo or adjust the tempo based on your recorded files. Great thing is this works with loops as well. So let's get to it. I have a Vengeance pack here, and if you haven't guessed it, the tempo for most of these files is 128. So I brought in a audio file. I'm going to play it here. As you can see, it's not in sync. I'm going to play the click and let's play it. You can see it's not aligned. However, if you right click here, you can either customize it, apply default, or save it as default, or if you left click it, you can change the settings. So here you can change it to, I like to keep it in keep project tempo mode because most of the time you're not changing the tempo of your project, you're going to be changing other things. Here you can set the new recording mode to on with aligning bars or on with aligning bars and beats. I like to do this. And then you can also choose to trim the new region that you record or bring in right here. So trim it to a downbeat. Also, it does that for imported audio. I'm going to do that for this as well. So now I've done it for aligning bars and beats and not trimming the start of it. And that's for recording and imported files. All right, so let's change the tempo to 110 here. All right, I'm going to keep this file and I'm going to bring the same file in again now. And you can see that it's going to ask me edit downbeat. I'm going to say don't show for now. And as you can see, the same thing has been brought in here, but it's aligned to a 2-bar loop now. That's without. And that's with. All right, so let's play around with that a little more. We're going to go into one of my other Vengeance packs, and let's see if we can find some other loops. Let's go to Electro Essentials and see if they have any melodies. All right, we're going to go in and pick a melody that's in G sharp, and it's 128. So as you can see, when I bring it in, it doesn't really align. It's 3.5 bars. Logic looks at it, and boom, it's aligned to 4 bars now. So I'm going to adjust the volume of that. Let's do this. So guys, this makes it easier for you to bring in any kind of loop that you have available, whether it has tempo or not. What Logic actually does, it changes the flex and follow mode here to beats, and boom, you guys can bring in your tempo and change. It'll change the tempo automatically, and then you can start get to producing. All right, guys, keep an eye out for some other videos that are going to be on my channel. I'm going to put them on the right-hand side here. Also, make sure to click like, share, and subscribe. If you do subscribe, and if you can subscribe, that would be great because YouTube is changing their algorithm in February 2018, and it would be amazing if I can get 1,000 subscribers by then. All right, guys, see you at the next one.